my Asian face, okay?
Let's say bye to McDonald's. Bye, McDonald's!
So weird, Ash.
I am not. Shut the fuck up. Hi, 70! Okay, where the fuck? Oh, look at the stadium. It's so far away. How the fuck are we gonna cross this road? Oh, sorry. I just ran into you. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay. Ready, go. Woo!
Why are you the only one yelling?
Because there's guys in that car. Duh. Okay, wait. Maybe they'll stop. Yes, they're stopping. Oh, wait. Wait, this way. My Asian friend.
Vagina.
Where's my...
With rosy
What the fuck was that? Here. Oh, fuck. I dropped it. Okay, wait. You want to take it?
Ashley face. This is drunk.
Do you see me just fall through that? Let's go. Let's fucking go. Shit.
She just bumped into that fucking gate. Ashley! I'm so scared for her, like. Do you know how ridiculous you look?
I look fine.
I don't think so.
Wait, Matt gets the black one. No. Fucking shit, that just made me tired. It's fucking raining, I'm like, shit, it's fucking wet. It's in my eyes and shit. Look at all the fucking light. Wait. Let's go again. Ready?
Let's go, run.
Let's go!
The next thing she's doing, what the fuck was I doing?
Like, oh my god.
Hi, what's up?
There's someone singing in that porta potty. Can you hear him? Can you hear him? It's fucking wet. It's raining. Like really hard. Hey, look, it's a fall. I'm not gonna do anything to it. People around. It's like soaking
Everybody
wet.
in the club.
I dropped my fucking sweatshirt. I can't fucking breathe. Shit.
Oh, she needs her
Wait.
asthma thing.
Is there a river down there? We should go swim in it. No, I'm serious. Oh shit, my phone's getting all wet. Hold on. Okay, I'm putting it in my pocket. Let's go. Let's jump on this bridge.
Whoa. This is hilarious. This is so funny. I know, she's still gonna jump in that river. I swear. Ashley, don't do stupid things, please. This is not a river. This is not a river.
It's not deep enough, or I would. Oh. Fucking shit, we're gonna be soaked before we get in there.
You're already soaked, okay?
I'm wearing a white fucking t-shirt.
Do you know that this video is still going?
Oh, really?
No kidding.
No kidding.
No
kidding.
I swear, tomorrow morning you're gonna laugh at this.
Tomorrow morning
Tomorrow morning you're gonna laugh at
is
it.
going to be tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah, okay.
I hope we win this fucking game, but we probably won't. Because we fucking suck this year. Okay, my shirt is getting wet.
See a bra.
You're good, you're still good. Fucking shit, I can't see anything. It's like dripping off my face. Look at it's fucking wet as shit.
Hey, what's up?
Woo!
Love you.
Love you too. Who the fuck is that?
you're gonna record until we go. Okay, we'll keep recording.
What? I'm confused. Look, it's fucking shit. I feel like I'm taking a shower right now.
I am too. It's fucking wet as shit. Mommy, fucking shit is gonna be fucking shit. Oh fuck.
There's nothing in that fucking cup anyway, so you
Wait,
know.
we were supposed to go IDs.
It's back there.
Fucking, we should
go
go
in.
right
Let's
now.
just go in.
Why?
Because you're already drunk.
There's no fucking alcohol in there. Wait, maybe my friend's working the beer stand. Let's go find him.
What is she doing? Why are you running to every porta potty?
Ow, fucking Jesus, it hit me in the arm. Ow, okay, that's fucking gross and ugly. Jesus, I just broke my fucking arm. I want this car.
I have everything on tape.
I want this car.
It's gonna beep if you touch it.
Who are they?
No idea. Let's go.
Watch me fucking hump my car.
It's not your car.
Yes, it is. You lie.
You're so funny.
Look how far away it is.
Where's
Where are we
Sarah?
at? Shit, I'm so wet.
What shit was that?
Fucking wet.
Ashley needs to get laid tonight.
Please. Someone. Let the fuck me.
This is the funniest video.
Take this shit.
No.
Never mind, I don't want to touch it. I'll get in trouble. Hey, what's up? Woo! Yeah, I got Hawaii. My hair is fucking soaking wet. Is my makeup running?
No, not yet.
Not yet. I want that truck too. Shit, son. I'm fucking tired now. Let's just sit down and sleep. We don't even need to go in the game. It's fucking raining.
We're gonna make it into
And there's oh fuck. Security. Fuck. Shit.
funniest thing ever. No. The whole night's just running away. I need to get her drunk more often. She's like, climb over the wall.
Fucking tired as hell.
Hey, let's climb
I
up.
just ran away from the police.
From the
They almost
po-po.
got us. Did you see that? They almost got us. Oh, we saw.
Let's go, come on.
Wow, you're. Okay, hold on. How am I supposed to get up this shit? Those fucking scare me.
Okay, gate 8. We'll meet you inside because you're at the
Meet-
guest list, right?
Maybe. Oh shit, there's a police right there. He's coming and he's fat. Hold on, act normal, act normal.
Okay.
Sober. Hi.
Don't even say hi.
But I wanted to say hi to him. He like put his hat on and all like official shit.
I guess we're winning because you hear the crowd.
Go Hawaii! Look a fucking pole. Ooh, that comes out of the ground.
Oh shit, we're at
We should
three?
take